As darkness falls on Jabarkhet Nature Reserve, many nocturnal animals begin to move about. Though human beings are not present, camera traps have been positioned to record images of wildlife in the secret shadows of the night. Triggered by motion sensors, the cameras capture photographs and videos the animals have taken of themselves. More than 20 different species of mammals are found in the reserve. And as a new day breaks, nature's perpetual cycle of life carries on. Located near Missouri, Jabarkhet Nature Reserve occupies 100 acres of private land surrounded by government forests. The goal is to protect and restore the forest and its wildlife, while also creating local livelihoods and promoting conservation awareness. Since 2015, when the reserve was opened, much of the forest cover has increased, while many species of birds and animals have returned and multiplied. Three water holes in the reserve attract wildlife, and the recovering habitat nurtures many species. Predators are active mostly at night, but also sometimes during the day, though they are wary of human beings and keep out of sight. More than 150 bird species can be seen in the reserve, both year-round residents and seasonal migrants. Visitors are welcome, and trained naturalists from neighboring communities serve as guides to explain and interpret the many life stories that this forest sustains.